stretchers and all the tools and all bits and pieces. So we'll have a quick walk around and see what I use Robert stuff. I use a Robert stretcher. I used to.
How much are these expensive?
And they'll vary in price. That one would be quite expensive. I don't know the prices exactly on them, but they're 100 to 100.
They're good quality?
Very, very good quality.
It's got 1 year warranty on that.
Yeah,
why is it a year? Because you give them a good pounding.
Well, to tell the truth, I've had mine for like 20 years. So, and I've had the same stretcher. I've never changed it. Some people need to change the teeth and that after a while, but you can do. You can get different parts for it. But they generally last near enough a lifetime. You might need to change them once. I've never known anyone that's changed them more than once or twice.
So in other words, buy cheap, buy twice, buy decent kit to start with.
Very, very good mate. Very good mate. Top of the spectrum and or the scale rather.
Right, let's go and look at some of their other products. Door bars and profiles, look. I didn't know they did them.
No one doesn't know.
So what's all this? What's that?
So that's a roller. That's for rolling vinyl and hard floors, marmoleum and stuff like that. Obviously get your knee pads and your trowels and stuff.
Trowels, what's that?
Doing that trowel. I don't even know what that is myself. I think it's for wood. That's a tapping block. It's a tapping block for locking wood in. And laminate and stuff.
What's that up there, a pull bar? What's that for, Hughie?
So again, that's for locking wood in, laminate and stuff. They're very handy though, for getting into tight spaces. See this vid, you'll go into the tight space and you click them in.
Right.
Instead of lifting and trying to be awkward with them. Then you've got your heavy duty scrapers and stuff like that. They're very, very good. I bought one of these about 8 years ago, 10 years ago, or we bought one of them. And we've still got it, and it's still as good today as it was then.
Right.
Very, very, very good.
So buy cheap, buy twice, as you say. Don't buy it from B&Q.
This is top end stuff, this is Robert stuff. Top end. There's your sanding block. It's carbon under them. Sanding block. Have you got your nail bars and stuff? Yeah, very, very good stuff.
Spacers.
We're gluing out spats. Adhesive spreader. Adhesive spreader or gluing out spat.
So that's about the notches, isn't it?
Yes, you get different types. So that's a trowel, gluing out trowel. And that's obviously for ceramics and stuff. Or for wood, sorry. Not ceramics, wood. And these again are for vinyls and stuff like that, and different carpets and whatnot. You've got the snips, tin snips. Cutting gripper. Tucking knife. So you can use that, people use that for multiple different things. So if you want to tuck and carpet, it's actually a marmoleum knife, a linoleum knife. And years ago, I used to use this to cut marmoleum and stuff.
What with that?
Yeah, that's what it is. It says linoleum knife.
Oh, right.
And there's a lot of stuff here I don't even know what it is, you know, not new stuff and big stuff.
What's this?
I don't know, it's like a router. Oh, it's a laser level.
It's a groover. It's called a groover?
That's a groover. That's for grooving vinyl, I think.
What's that for?
Grooving vinyl. You know when you're welding?
When you're welding it?
Yeah. Ideal for pieces, yeah, so grooving. So when you go to weld, that's what a groover is. And that's a laser level.
It's a laser measure, is it?
Laser level, yeah.
Right,
I
keep going.
Myself.
I know, it's
It's for
new, isn't
LVTs,
it?
I think.
Oh, right, yeah.
It's tile cut.
Anti-fray carpet spray, what's all that about?
They're all the same, mate, tell you stuff.
Hey?
They're all the same.
Go and ask
I
that
can't
fella.
see much in difference here. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a read up. Can be used on woven carpet sizing. So this is a multi spray, so you can use it for carpets, underlays, felt and stuff like that. So it must be high contact. But again, you'll need to do test on different underlays and stuff like that.
Right, what's this? A pro